Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get the rose gold face brush filter on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. For this effect you have to go here. This is the effects gallery. Okay, now I'm in trending section. Here you have to slide right until you see world. Okay, I'm using TikTok US, that's why my layout is like this. Might be you will not be seeing your layout like this, so you can use a VPN to go to TikTok US. So once you are in TikTok US, these are the filter. Select this one, second one. Okay, and remember this one. Select this, and that's it. You got the rose gold. Okay, let me reset it. I don't know what is the challenge going on. Everyone writing B. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this filter, and if you are not getting the filter like this, then what you can do, you can go to discover and you can search for rose gold face brush and go to the hashtags. You will see many video with this effect. Now tap on any video you want, and at the bottom left corner of the screen you will see this effect icon. You just have to tap on the effect icon and you will be directed to the effect page. From here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see the record button. You can tap there, and from here also you can use the effect. Suppose you're not getting the filter from here also, let me go back. You can visit this website. Link to this website I'll give in the description box below. Here in this website you will see the filter icon. Just tap on the filter icon and open it with TikTok. Okay, I'm in the filter page. Now open it with TikTok. Okay, you will be redirected to the effect page. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen, and there you go, you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this rose gold face brush filter on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.